The radiation levels are getting dangerous. What are they doing here? Hey, Steve.
You don't look happy, Dr. Jameson. Did you find what you were looking for?
Yeah, I did.
Then what's the problem?
Those fucking seagulls. Valkyrie warned me about them, and I was right about to eat some unopened Twinkies when those fucking sky rats fucking mugged me for my breaded goodie. The only food I had, and those fucking feathered cunts robbed me.
Everything will be okay.
They shit my helmet. Nice. Real nice.